Good morning, Cougars. Let's go ahead and get started with your week at a glance. 8th graders, on Monday and Tuesday, Virtual Aquarium will be in your science classrooms. You will be participating in an energy engineering challenge. Make sure that you are very respectful to our guests. Clubs have started. One club that will be starting today will be Circle of Friends at the library during lunch. Last week, Kindness Club started on Thursdays in room 401. If you're interested in this or any other club, please make sure that you visit Club Advisors. On Tuesday, auditions for the Man After School play will begin. Our play is called Lunchroom. Auditions will be on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday in room 301 right after school. Tuesday is Picture Day. Make sure that you look your very best. Pictures will be taken during your PE classes. You want to look your best because this is the picture that goes on your yearbook. If you haven't done so already, start considering saving for your yearbook. Dress code, a little bit of reminders on dress code. No bandanas are allowed on campus, no matter what color they are. Also, pay attention to your shorts and your pants. If the openings on your pants are too high, remember you will need to cover them. If your shorts are too short, you will have to be using your uniform for PE. I know it is sunny, but sunglasses are not allowed. Okay, Cougars, that wraps it up. Let's have an awesome week.